Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change card view here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the card view in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that would help you manage and visualize tasks or projects in a Kanban style layout. Now, once you are working in this specific file, for you to be able to change the card view, all you're going to do is hover to the view settings. It's beside the filter option. There's going to be the grid view, timeline, board, Gantt, calendar, and of course, the card view. Okay? Now you see, once you are on the card view, you can quickly update tasks, statuses, and make adjustments directly within the view. This can streamline task management and reduce the need for constant switching between different views. You have the not started, wherein you can add multiple titles here. For example, this one. The block, wherein you can add another thing here, complete, and add lane. You can also share this to the specific people that you are working with in this workspace. And now, for projects with complex workflows or multiple stages, card view, I believe, will help you track tasks through different phases, making it easier to manage and monitor project progress. You see, there's going to be a gear icon settings here where you can tweak and edit the fields that you wanted. For example, assign to, status, and to start to end date, duration, predecessors, and a lot more. Okay, so there's a lot that you can work with. You can put in the comment or the conversation or add any attachment that you wanted. You can also apply card colors if you wanted. All right, you can also change the view density from comfortable to compact. See that? And then a compact. You can also change the display hierarchy, nested child cards or separate child cards. You can also change the assign status, and you can also add another filter here. Now, when planning projects, card view allows you to visually organize tasks and milestones, making it easier to map out project timelines and, of course, dependencies. It's very flexible in how you manage and visualize your tasks, allowing you to switch between different views, for example, from board view to card view, and a lot more based on your current needs and preferences. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.